Today we are doing 7-5 exponential and logarithmic equations. You will be able to solve exponential and logarithmic equations. We are going to be using logarithms to solve exponential equations, and we're going to be using exponents to solve logarithmic equations. So an equation that has an exponent is an exponential equation. If we can rewrite our bases as the same base, so if we have 16 and 8, we are going to rewrite them with a common base. So 16 is 2 to the 4th power to the 3x power. 8 is 2 to the 3rd power. When we have a common base, we can set our exponents equal to each other. So 4 times 3x is equal to 3. This is 12x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1/4. When bases are not the same of an exponential equation, we can solve by taking the logarithm of each side. So what we do is log both sides of our equation. We have 15 to the 3x power is equal to 285. We are going to log both sides since we cannot rewrite 15 and 285 as the same base. Since we have a log, we're going to take our exponent, put it to the front. 3x times log of 15 is equal to the log of 285. We want to solve for x. So in order to get x by itself, we have to divide by everything else it's being multiplied by. So we divide by 3 log 15 on both sides. We're left with x is equal to. We put that in our calculator. Log 285 divided by 3 times the log of 15, and we get 0.696. If we have a logarithmic equation that includes one or more logarithms, a logarithmic equation is an equation that has a log in it. So we solve by using exponents. We make it from log is bay, and we rewrite it as a. So our answer, which is 4x minus 3, is equal to 10 because we have no base to the 2nd power. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 100, and solve for x. Our answer is 103/4. If we have 2 logarithms in an equation, we want to condense it to 1 log, so we need to use our properties of logs and then transform it to a. So since we're adding, we're going to multiply. We have log of x minus 3 times x is equal to 1. We have base 10 since we have no base, so 10 to the 1st power is equal to x times x minus 3. We're going to distribute and solve. X squared minus 3x is equal to 10. Since this is a quadratic, we have to set it equal to 0 and factor. 0 is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 10. What multiplies to negative 10 and adds to negative 3? Negative 5 and 2. So x minus 5 times x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 5 and x equals 2. We need to check our answers. Is the log of 2 minus 3 plus the log of 2 equal to 1? is the log of 5 minus 3 plus the log of 5 equal to 1. And our first answer, when we plugged in 2, we get a negative, so that's not going to be a real answer. So that is extraneous, and our solution is x equals 5. Solve these two on your own.